Hi everyone. Every organization is trying to build generative AI solutions. With so many in the market, it is difficult to decide for most of us. Most generative AI solutions are siloed and they don't harness all the enterprise data. SaaS apps, legacy apps, Excel files, data is everywhere. Unless you provide all that data to generative AI, you're going to get a subpar result with your GenAI investment. That's where Microsoft Copilot comes in. With their existing extensions and your ability to build custom build, you can connect with all enterprise data and LOB apps. Think about having a virtual assistant which can not only understand your needs, but can connect you to critical data inside the organization. That's the power of Microsoft Copilot extensions. Investing in Microsoft Copilot extension gives you the real power of GenAI. It's not about working harder, but working smarter with integrated data. Sounds interesting? Sign up for a free 1-hour consultation with us, and we will show you how Microsoft Copilot can change the way you work. Thank you.